If you're getting a GOG error when trying to redeem a code, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your game or product code working again. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and most of the time the issue is caused by a small typo, a region restriction, or a temporary browser problem. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. First, check the code carefully. Re-enter it slowly and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. A lot of redemption errors happen because of simple typing mistakes. Also, double-check characters that can look similar, like the letter O and the number 0, or the letter I and the number 1. Those small details matter a lot when you're redeeming codes on GOG. Next, make sure the code has not already been used. GOG codes usually work only once, so if you already redeemed it before, it may no longer be valid. You can check your library to confirm whether the game or item has already been added to your account. If it's already there, then the code may have been successfully claimed earlier, even if you don't remember doing it. After that, check for region restrictions. Some GOG codes only work in specific countries or regions, so if you bought the code from another marketplace, it may not be available in your location. If you're using a VPN, turn it off before trying again, because a VPN can sometimes trigger redemption issues or make the region mismatch worse. Now let's try redeeming the code from the official GOG page. Go to GOG.com, open the Profile dropdown, and click Redeem Code. Then enter the code again carefully and submit it from the official redemption page. Using the official page is the safest way to make sure the code is being checked correctly by GOG's system. If it still doesn't work, try a different browser or device. Chrome and Edge are usually the best options, and if you're on a computer, you can also try redeeming the code on mobile or on another PC. Sometimes browser cache, extensions, or a temporary device issue can block the redemption process, so switching devices can solve the problem fast. Another useful fix is to log out and log back in. On GOG, click the Settings gear icon, then click Settings, then Manage, then Log in and Security, and finally choose Log out all. After that, sign back in and try the code again. This can refresh your account session and clear any login-related issues that may be stopping the redeem process. Finally, check GOG's server status. Go to downdetector.com/status/gog.com and see whether other users are reporting problems. If GOG servers are having issues, the best fix may simply be to wait and try again later. So to recap, check the code carefully, make sure it hasn't been used, confirm there are no region restrictions, redeem it on the official page, try a different browser or device, log out and log back in, and check server status if nothing else works. These steps solve most GOG redeem code errors quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.